These are interception scenes showing Russian drones engaging Ukrainian Kamikaze drones, the larger ones based on the E-300 trainer aircraft. These drones are essentially converted from manned light trainer planes, equipped with explosives and remote control systems. Multiple such drones were neutralized. Notably, the Russian interceptor was also low on battery, indicating a long loitering time or that it operated at an extreme range. Due to its large size, the drone is easier to detect compared to smaller or medium-sized ones. This type of drone is used not only as a kamikaze platform for deep strikes inside Russia, but also as a bomber capable of dropping aerial bombs and mortar shells. In this instance, the drone was flying deep inside Russian territory when it was intercepted.